Right now, millions of Americans are quietly using artificial intelligence to change their financial lives. But it's probably not the way you think. They aren't building robots or writing complex code. They are using it to find an extra $200 in their monthly budget, reclaim 5 hours of their work week, and protect their savings from inflation leaks. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie. This is happening today, in living rooms in Ohio, offices in Texas, and small businesses in Florida. In this video, we are stripping away the hype. No buzzwords, no get-rich-quick nonsense. Just a simple, clear look at how your neighbors are using AI as a tool for the American middle class. If you've ever felt like your time or your money is slipping through your fingers, you'll want to see how these tools actually work. Welcome to Smart Dollar Lab. Our mission is to explain the US money system, credit, and new technology in plain, simple English. Before we go further, a promise. You won't find any fake motivation here. We believe that in the United States, the best way to get ahead is through better information and calm curiosity. But before we look at the apps and the tools, we have to ask a deeper question. Why are Americans, more than almost any other culture, so focused on using this technology to save time? The answer explains everything about how our economy is shifting right now. Let's be honest, the cost of living in the US has moved faster than most of our paychecks. Rent is up, healthcare is complex, and for many families, the old way of managing money with a pencil and paper just isn't fast enough anymore. In our culture, we have a famous saying, time is money. But in 2026, time is more than money. It is a limited resource. Think about it this way. If a task used to take you 2 hours, but a free AI tool can now do it in 2 minutes, you haven't just saved time. You have gained 2 hours of your life back. That is 2 hours you can spend with your kids, or working on a side business, or just as importantly, resting. Americans don't use AI because it's cool. We use it because it solves our two biggest problems, the lack of time and the rising cost of living. Most Americans don't go broke from one big mistake. They lose wealth through micro leaks. Think of AI as the ultimate plumber for your finances. Take subscriptions, for example. The average American spends over $200 a month on subscriptions. Many are ghosts, services we forgot to cancel after a free trial. AI tools now scan your bank statements in seconds, flag these charges, and can even send the cancellation notice for you. It's like having a professional detective working for your wallet 24/7. But it goes deeper. Imagine you want a lower internet bill. Instead of waiting on hold for an hour, you can ask an AI to write a professional negotiation script based on your specific provider and city. It uses the exact legal and professional phrases that are most likely to trigger a discount. We are seeing people save $500 a year just by sending an email they didn't even have to write themselves. When you stop the leaks, you keep the wealth. Now let's talk about income. The biggest myth about AI is that it makes you money. It doesn't. AI doesn't have a bank account. What it does is remove the friction of work. If you are a freelancer or a small business owner, you used to spend 40% of your time on the boring stuff, emails, scheduling, and basic research. Today, Americans are using AI to handle those tasks. This means one person can now do the work that used to require a team of 3. This isn't about working harder, it's about increasing your value per hour. For example, a person selling crafts on Etsy can use AI to write their product descriptions and optimize their photos in seconds. They spend less time on the computer and more time creating. In the American economy, the person who can produce more in less time is the one who wins. You've probably heard the fear-mongering, AI is coming for your job. But let's look at the facts. History shows that technology rarely removes people, it removes inefficiency. An accountant in 1970 used a paper ledger. An accountant today uses AI. The job is still there, but the manual part of the job is gone. In the American market, skills have always mattered more than titles. Those who learn to use the AI tractor will always outproduce those still using a hand plow. This isn't just a hobby, it is a form of career insurance for the future. AI is going to become as common as the smartphone in your pocket. You don't need to be a tech genius to benefit. You just need to be willing to look forward. At Smart Dollar Lab, we are here to walk that path with you, explaining things clearly without the hype. If this factual approach was helpful, please subscribe. We'll be here every week with deep dives and every day with short tips to help you stay ahead. I'm your host, and thanks for watching.